Hey everybody, I'm at my new listing here today in the Parklands community in White Plains, Maryland. It's Lennar's 55 and older. It's spectacular. The address is 10716 Great Lakes Place. Can't wait to show you. The kitchen is awesome. Corian counters. This is one piece, so it's awesome construction. Deep sink, overlooks the family room. You've got high-end appliances, gas stove, beautiful refrigerator, latest colors and cabinets. It's awesome. Look at this family room. It is beautiful. 2-story ceilings. You got the fixed transom windows, plenty of natural light. It's got the nice detail here where you can cleanly mount your TV, no wires. It'll look great. Right off the kitchen, beautiful. All right, the primary bedroom is on the main level. It's big, it's got its own private ensuite, big closet, great shower. It's awesome. I am in the upper level loft. It is awesome. It's got the nice HDMI. It's rigged for a nice clean look when you wall mount your TV. This is perfect for when the family comes and visits. The grandkids can be up here relaxing away from the main floor.